Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Hi. Welcome everybody, this is Cher. So here I'm showing you what you can do with this one bottle polish. Okay, I have the silver over the black base color. I'm gonna show you some designs. Now grab this magnet, I'm gonna go up and down and bring all the shine out. Okay, that can create this dynamic look. There you go. So if you kind of like the design, you can just cure this for 30 seconds to 1 minute to set it. If you don't like it, you can just repolish and install over again. So grab this magnet again, bring all the shine out. You guys like it? I'm so glad you guys like it. Now I'm gonna bring all the shine out. I'm gonna show you how to make a heart. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how to make a heart. And for my way to make a heart, I like to give it a gradient. Hello, hello, everybody. Is everybody from States? This is actually our first time to go live right here. I don't really know about the rule about this, this channel or this platform. So is everybody from States? Do we have any friends that is not from States? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we have this heart. Is it cute? Look at this. Is it cute? So this is actually just a one bottle ketchup polish. I'm showing you guys really what you can actually get best use of them. You're from Malaysia? I see. Let me show you this color natural now, okay? I'm gonna show you guys something here. Let me show you this color natural now. So we actually made we actually make this one no base color on purpose, so we give you guys more options. You can actually, get to create more design with this. There you go. As you can see, look at this. I see. Look at this, right? You don't even see the little bit black shade. Okay, but once you get all the glitter on the surface, that glitter is just going to completely cover the whole surface. For anybody who are interested in our gel, okay, you can actually see that's a web. You can find everything right there. And also today we have some benefits for you guys. Okay, it is actually free shipping over around like $60, $59. See everybody? Once you bring all the shine out, that glitter completely cover the whole surface. Now you can create any design that you like. Okay, this is everybody. We're going live with no filter, no addition. Look at this. See everybody? Okay, that tells you actually like why our ketchup can look that cool, like why you can create that neat design within that short time. Everything is based on the 3 times as much as inside, which is no joke. That's also why we dare to show guys everything with no filter, no addition, and they are exactly the same gel. I mean, just using a different base color. So when you get this gel home, you can find so many different possibilities can do over the base color by simply changing the base color, by changing the different designs. You can really get endless designs. Is it cool? Yes, I'm gonna show you guys more colors. Okay, we have like so many different shades. I'm gonna show you guys one by one, but this is actually from my trail collection. Okay, this is from my trail collection. A beginner set has this silver and this magenta and rainbow color. You can also find our gel on our web right there. Love that. I got a rainbow card to show you later. Let me show you another color. This is a rainbow. Okay, let me show you the rainbow. And all of the gel are all the UV gel. Okay, this is something you have to know, everybody, before you make the purchase. Here we got the rainbow. Look at that. Look at that. Everybody, can I have a rainbow emoji? Look at this fancy rainbow, right? That's what we're talking about. I have been doing this for 10 years already. You know, for this kind of a rainbow, for this kind of a quality rainbow, come on, you're never gonna find anything better than this. Is it cool? Thank you for the rainbow emoji. Now, let me show you this color my natural now. Okay, just gonna mention for this collection, okay, you can do it over any base color to create a different look. So even if you don't have any, you know, black base color, even if you don't have any base color or no tips, no long nails, you can also get it working. And that's also why we made this so versatile for you. It's amazing. So you don't have to worry about it at all. Like you don't know how to get this working. And also today with order, you can also get one rectangular marker freebie and also my 16 different videos, and they're gonna help you to nail it. Okay, so don't worry at all. Like you don't know how to get this working. Now here I got this rainbow over my natural now. Now let's see how it looks over the natural now. This is actually my favorite. I like it so much about, you know, over the natural nails. I think that's the best. But just a set, there's no one way. It depends like what you like. You can choose any base color that you like, right? You can choose any long nails or short nails you like, but they're all gonna shine like this way. Is it cool? Yeah, this is a rainbow. Look at this. Is it cool? This is just a side light, everybody. No filter, no addition. This is just a side light. I can go around another side to get the dense look. There you go. See that? Look at this. Is it crazy, everybody? Is it crazy? Look at that. Ooh, my favorites. So what do you think, everybody? Which one do you like better? Over the natural now or over the black base color? Black or natural? I will always go for the natural. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Rainbow French tip. Rainbow French tip, that's what you're gonna get. Black, you like it way better, you know, over the black base color, right? So it provides you all the different, you know, options, okay? No matter what you like, you can always get it working. All you need to do, just simply change the base color. You're gonna get all of the design that you want.